Imagine having the ability to say just the right thing to a woman you desire, something that would make her feel an intense attraction toward you. The surprising truth is that many men don't know what compliments truly resonate with women. Often, the things women secretly long to hear are never directly asked for, leaving many men confused about how to connect. Here are 3 powerful compliments that can help you build a deep emotional connection with any woman, whether she's already interested in you or not. These compliments go beyond mere flattery. They focus on authenticity, depth, and trust. Genuine observation. Compliments should reflect your genuine appreciation for her unique qualities. Instead of relying on generic praise, pay attention to the little things she does. Did she change her hairstyle or wear a bold accessory? Acknowledge her effort by saying something like, "That new hairstyle really suits you. You look incredible." This shows you're truly paying attention and creates a deeper connection, making her feel seen and valued. Personality appreciation. Move beyond surface-level compliments and recognize the traits that make her special. Compliment her calm demeanor, adventurous spirit, or the warmth in her voice. By acknowledging these qualities, you communicate that you value her for who she is, not just for her looks. This sets you apart from the crowd and fosters a more meaningful connection. For example, saying, "I love how open-minded and adventurous you are," shows that you appreciate her character and encourages her to embrace those traits even more. Support her passions. Take the time to notice her interests and passions. Compliments that highlight her dedication to her work or hobbies demonstrate that you care about her as a whole person. Try saying, "I really admire how dedicated you are to your work," or "It's inspiring to hear how passionately you talk about your favorite things." This kind of attention not only shows that you're invested in her happiness, but also creates space for deeper conversations and emotional connections. Additionally, recognizing her achievements, no matter how small, reinforces her self-esteem and builds trust. For instance, saying, "I'm so impressed by how you're always striving to improve," can make her feel truly valued. By focusing on these deeper, more meaningful compliments, you'll establish a foundation of trust and emotional connection that makes your relationship truly exceptional. Start noticing and appreciating what makes her unique and watch the attraction flourish. This approach not only helps you stand out, but also creates a bond that feels real, lasting, and mutual. So go ahead, embrace the power of genuine compliments and see how they transform your connections with women.